I wish I could learn English language the way I learned my mother tongue. When I learned my mother tongue, I didn't join any spoken classes, I didn't learn any grammar. Moreover, I didn't read any book so that I could become a fluent speaker in my mother tongue. But when it comes to learning English language, many people they say that learn grammar, read books. If it's possible, then join spoken classes also. I am thinking that why it's not so simple. The way I learned my mother tongue, why can't I learn English language without joining any spoken classes? Why it is hard to learn English language? I am really worried. Hello and welcome to my channel English with Anita. I hope you people are doing great and learning this language great way. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how to learn English language the way you learned your mother tongue. I mean how to learn English language in a simple manner. Before I start sharing with you, my friend, I want to share with you something which is related to my area, and I want to share with you one incident also which took place in my area. So, what happened when we do something, we worry so much. And you know why? Why? Because we think we are alone. As a learner, you might be thinking that in this journey I am alone. But don't worry, my friend, you are not alone. There are many people. They are going through the same kinds of problem, right? So, think about other one also. I believe that if you think about other one, it would be easy to cope up with this problem. And let me share with you one incident. It may make your journey little easier, or it may make you more stronger, or it may make you cope up with your problem easy way. So, as you can see, climate is very cool in my area. The reason behind it, today it rained very heavily. Morning time, there was heavy rainfall in my area. And my friend, in our area, especially in April month, we don't need rainfall. You know why? Because we grow wheat crop, and rainfall is very bad for our wheat crop. This is the harvesting season, and if it rained, we wouldn't be able to harvest successfully. And same thing happened. It rained, and a lot of farmers, their crop is still in their farm. They are worried, but they are not so much worried. They are not crying. You know why? Because they are thinking that I am not alone. If it had happened with only one farmer, he couldn't bear this thing, that only my farm or only my crop got wet. But this is very easy for that farmer, one farmer. Why? Because he can see other farmers are also facing the same problem. Okay, I think in my area 30% farmers, their crop is still in their field. Okay, so this heavy rainfall is going to harm them, but however they are coping with this problem. Why? Because they think that I am not alone. Many a farmer, they are going through this situation. Many a farmer, they are facing the same problem. That is why they are easily dealing with this challenging situation. So in your case also, my friend, don't think that you are alone. Don't worry so much, okay? Think that others are also there. Then it will make you more stronger, and it will make your problem, I would say, little easier, okay? Because you are not alone here who is suffering. A lot of people are going through these kinds of challenges. Let's come on the main topic, which is why can't we learn English language the way we learned our mother tongue? First reason I can find here, which is environment. How we learned our mother tongue? Because we had environment. Since we born, indirectly we were in the environment, or I would say that we were getting input. Though we were unable to speak, yet we were listening, right? Our parents, our neighbor, they were talking in our mother tongue. That is why directly, indirectly, we were giving input to ourselves, right? And when we started growing up, afterward we started talking. I mean, we started imitating our parents. what my mother is saying to me, what my father is saying to me, right? We started copying them. That is why we started learning. So, did you notice what we did in our childhood? First of all, directly, indirectly, we gave input. And what was that? Listening, right? So here also try to listen, okay? Try to listen more and more. But the thing is that you can't listen 24/7. When it comes to our mother tongue, we can listen because every time people are speaking our mother tongue, our family member, our friends. That is why 24/7 we can listen directly, indirectly our mother tongue. That is why it's very easy to learn our mother tongue, right? But it is little challenging to learn English language. Why? Because we don't have environment and no one is going to talk with us or no one is talking. If someone talks around us, it will be very easy for us to learn English language, right? We don't have anyone to speak, right? That is why we have to directly force ourselves to listen English language, to be in this environment, and that's how we can be fluent, okay? Not having environment is the biggest issue, and here we get one responsibility to create the environment. Then try to create the environment. That is why we have to listen a lot, or we should read book, we should learn grammar. These all are the things which are a kind of, I would say, environment. We are creating environment, we are making our journey little easier. But my friend, if someone is there to speak English language with you, then your problem got solved. You no need to worry. Why? Because you are going to listen directly, indirectly from that person and speak this language, right? So try to create environment. Then you will speak this language very easily, the way you speak your mother tongue. First of all, I told you not to worry about learning this language, that why me? Why am I facing this problem alone? Why not others? You are not able to see others are also facing the same kinds of problem, my friend, okay? They don't have environment the way you don't have. So main topic is how can we make it simple, the way we learned our mother tongue. My friend, first of all, stop worrying. When will I get fluency? How much time does it take? You tell me, when you are a child, did you ask to your parents that when will I become a fluent speaker in my mother tongue? No. You didn't worry. You didn't ask this kinds of question to your parents. And now here you are asking again and again, when will I become a fluent speaker in English language? Why? Why are you in hurry? Try to surround yourself with English environment and you will not have the need to ask this question to anyone. When will I become a fluent speaker? Where do I make mistake? No need to ask this question, my friend. Just surround yourself. Listen a lot. Read also. And learn grammar. Because these are the things which will help you. No one is here to help you, right? Your parents, if they speak, then that's okay. Because they are going to correct you. They are going to correct your mistakes. Just like pronunciation mistakes, grammar mistakes. But if no one is there, then you should become responsible. Try to do whatever is needed. And that is why we have to read, we have to join spoken classes, we have to, I would say that, worry also a little bit. But I am against of worrying. I feel that no need to worry so much. Why? Because we are going to learn this language, right? And worry takes our energy. It drains our energy. So stop worrying from today onwards and think positive that you will definitely become a fluent speaker. The way you are speaking your mother tongue, you will definitely speak English language also. But it totally depends on your timing, that how much timing you are giving for learning English language. See, my friend, don't do partiality here. That why I am unable to learn English language fast way. Why I learned my mother tongue very fast way. You know why you learned your mother tongue very fast way? 24/7 you are surrounded by your mother tongue. That is why it was easy for you. Still, you are surrounded by your mother tongue. That is why you speak your mother tongue fluently. But when it comes to English language, you tell me, do you have someone to speak with you English language 24/7? I mean, are you able to hear from someone every time when you watch TV, when you listen music, when you cook, when you go, when you travel? Do you listen English? Someone speak with you in English language? No. That is why it is taking time. That is why it is a long process. Okay? So don't worry. Just enjoy the process and stop questioning that why can't I learn English language the way I learned my mother tongue. You will learn, but you have to do the same thing the way you did in your childhood. You didn't do. You were provided by the God, I would say. Your parents, they were speaking your mother tongue, your neighbor. That's why here you should provide yourself such environment. Surround yourself with such people who speaks English. Surround yourself with English books, right? And watch many videos which are related to English. And then this language will become very easy for you. You no need to worry now. Okay? So believe in yourself and know the reality also. See, if at your home small child is there, then he or she will not ask when will I become a fluent speaker in my mother tongue. Rather they learn things gradually, right? In your case also, don't question so much. It takes energy, my friend. It drains your energy. Not only your, whosoever is asking such things, whosoever is wasting time. Okay? Just listen, read, speak, and try to enjoy this journey. You will speak this language very fluently. And don't worry, as I told you, everyone is going through these kinds of problems. You are not alone. Okay? I also suffered a lot while learning English language, but later on I thought, okay, let's try to enjoy, because it's not the one day process. If it is the matter of one day, I would definitely be worried whole day. But no, it is going to take years and years. Then should I waste my years and years because I'm learning English language and it is challenging? No. I will make it little interesting if it's possible. And I'm going to decide from today onwards that I'll be surrounded by English environment, and then I can learn English language fast way. This is the matter, my friend. Surround yourself with English speaking environment. Then the day is not so far when you are also going to speak English language the way you speak your mother tongue. Okay? So it's all about your surrounding. It's all about your environment. When we were child, we didn't ask, and I think that is the reason we learned very fast way. Now we waste our energy that when will I become a fluent speaker? This one, that one, why me? Why I am suffering? Why so much struggle? Everyone is going through these kinds of situation, my friend. Don't worry, okay? And so this is what I wanted to share with you. I hope you like my video. If you, then please like, share, subscribe. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.